Hello and welcome. This podcast is on setting up your Moodle app on the iPad. First thing we're going to do is go to the App Store. If you haven't done this already, download the Moodle mobile app. That is this one right here. I'm going to open that. That's the one you want. Okay, once you have that downloaded, going to find that app and select it. And the first thing we need to do is enter the site of our Moodle and then log in with our username and password. And this is going to be a one-time event if you have your own iPad. Okay, so I have got mine copied, so I'm just going to paste it. And the link that you need to put in there is http://e-learn.mpls.k12.mn.us/students. And then I enter my user and password. And when that's all set, I'm going to select Add. And this shows me that I've done this successfully. Yay! And I've got a bunch of courses here. So up at the top, I'm just going to take a look at some of the basic features here. I've got an upload button, and here I can upload things from my camera roll. If I want to take a movie and load that directly into Moodle, I can do that from here. And I can also upload audio as well. Now when that gets uploaded, it gets uploaded to your personal file storage in Moodle. And we'll talk a little bit about that later. Okay, next we have the My Courses, and you can see I've got a lot of different courses here that I belong to. And just for example, I'm going to take a look at this one right here. If I select a course, two things pop up. Either content, and that's going to be the actual content of the course, and then there's participants, and that's going to be actually people that are in the course with me. Okay, so we're going to take a look at content. I'm going to select that. Now along the left-hand side here, I have got different topics that I can study. And these are like chapters. So I'm going to take a look at this, motion, energy. And now once I clicked on that, we can see in this area here, I can see these are all the different learning activities in that chapter. So I have a survey, I have a video, I have quizzes and such. Now some of the items on this you can download to the app, and that's nice because when you do that, then if you take your iPad to a place where there isn't Wi-Fi or internet, you can still watch the video. And we can tell which ones you can download by the arrow right here. So you can see that there's an arrow next to, we're going to ignore that copy right here, and we're looking at this arrow. And then that shows us that we can download that. So when I select that, now we can see the little wheel spinning around. It tells me we're downloading that video, and I can take this iPad in my car or on the bus or out in the park or whatever and watch that video. Now if you're online or offline. Okay, there's some other things in Moodle that will actually ask you then to log into Moodle again, and one of them would be a quiz. So when I select that, it is actually saying, hey, it's opening this in a browser and it's going to want to log into the Moodle just like you would log in if you were on a computer and a website. So I'm going to log in again. Now this usually only happens once per session, so it's a little bit of a pain, but once I'm logged in, I should stay logged in for the duration of my class. So it's not too bad once you get used to it. Okay, select Login. Okay, and voila, I can now take my quiz. Okay, so here I am. Now when I take my quiz, type in here, and I'm all done, I'm just going to select Done in the lower hand corner. That takes me back to the app. Okay, so that's pretty much for a basic intro. You can explore these a little bit more on your own, or we'll go deeper in future sessions. Now to navigate back to kind of my home page in the app, I'm going to click in the upper left-hand corner. That takes me back to all my courses and all my content. If I select participants, I can see all the different people in my class. And if I want to send them a message, I can do that there.